Right, this was a cornfield. There was corn cropping here last year, so it was a corn on corn field. Usually it requires a little bit more nitrogen just because of the you don't have a soybean crop carrying over any excess nitrogen. Planted in around April 10th into a heavy cover crop of legumes of clover and vetch. And there was some tillage radish out here, but it winter killed around January. It was probably an average year. It wasn't the best year like we've had for the past couple of years. We had some flooding of the low spots in the field early on, and we did have almost a 4-week period without any rain with some 100-degree temperature, but it's a lot better crop than I thought it was going to be. Seeing some 200 bushel dry land, but the low areas, where the crop was flooded out, it's just not cutting as good, but it's a lot better crop than I thought it was going to be.